What's up, online shoppers? It's really nice to feel secure in your house. And one of the ways you can do that is by putting cameras around. And I love these Blink cameras. I already have 2 installed, but we ordered this pack of 3 because now we can get the entire perimeter of our house covered by cameras, and we can have the clips uploaded to our phone, uploaded to the cloud, uploaded to a memory key so that we can access them and see what's going on around our house when we're not there. Let's open up the box and see what's inside. Now these are really cool because they also are going to work with Alexa. Now these are the 4th generation ones. They are wire-free. They are a security camera that has a 2-year battery life. They have 2-way audio, something kind of fun we do all the time. When my husband and I are out of town, if my son is walking out on the deck and we see him in the camera, we call to him and sometimes he jumps right out of his skin. It is so much fun. Torture really, I suppose. So inside the box, like I said, you get 3 of these cameras. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, and the brains of the operation right there. You also get a little manual to go with it. And then inside, underneath the box tray here, you get a little box for each one of these cameras. And inside that box is the mounting hardware. Now it's pretty stiff when it first comes out of the box, but this has like a little mounting bracket, and this is a swivelly ball, so you can actually change the angle of the camera once you've installed it, like underneath or on the side. So each of the cameras gets a little box like that. They also, inside of the box, give you the battery, which has a 2-year lifetime, and another little mounting bracket, and the screws to help with mounting it onto whatever surface you decide you're going to mount it to. The other thing they give you is the charge cord for your brains of the operation. So you get a cord and also a USB plug that you can plug into the wall, because you are going to need to power this unit here. This is like the command center. So you'll plug this into the wall, and that way you've got power, and the cameras will then communicate with this, which is your command center for the Blink. Now this isn't our first time ordering a Blink. We do have one that's significantly older, and it has served us so well. We just wanted to expand the coverage we have on our house. And honestly, it's such a nice peace of mind because not only do you have the option to look, you can actually interact as well. And unlike a doorbell camera, I love that we can put these up high where they're out of reach and they can't just be ripped off the door or ripped off the wall. It gives us a fair amount of security in knowing that as long as we have Wi-Fi access, we are able to see what's going on around our house. So you can aim it at specific areas that are high traffic. You can aim it at areas where you want to have a lot of coverage. And for sure, with the number of Amazon packages that get delivered to my house, this comes in handy where the packages are dropped off, because then I know if I have to run home at lunchtime and put them in, or call my father-in-law and ask him to come and move the packages inside for me so they are no longer sitting on my porch. Blink is awesome. With this 4th generation Blink, you get 1080 HD live view, you get infrared night vision, and you get a really nice crisp 2-way audio. So I'm really looking forward to putting this in. I know when we use the other one, like I told you when we prank my son, I definitely can hear him talking to me, and if I've been sitting on the deck and my husband talks to me through the Blink, I can definitely hear him. So I'm looking forward to see how much better this is, because I know that every time it comes out, it improves. Now another thing that's cool that you may not know, you can actually have the clips download to a memory key, a USB key at your house instead of other services. So that is a good workaround for you if you want to manage your expenses and keep the cost for running a Blink a little on the lower side. I can't think of an easier to install system that works efficiently, that gives you nighttime and daytime vision, and that gives you a really nice crisp 2-way audio. This Blink 4th generation outdoor cameras with 3 cameras and your control center that goes inside is awesome. It's going to integrate really nice with my other Blink, and I'm looking forward to putting it in action. It's going to be a family favorite at my house.